solar power systems have become an increasingly popular choice for energy generation. Harnessing the power of the sun, these systems provide a clean and renewable source of electricity. With solar panels installed on rooftops or in open areas, sunlight is converted into direct current, DC, electricity. This DC electricity is then converted into alternating current, AC, through an inverter, making it compatible with household appliances and the electrical grid. The solar panels themselves are made up of photovoltaic cells, which consist of layers of semiconductor material. When sunlight hits these cells, electrons are set in motion, creating an electric current. This electricity can be used to power homes and businesses, reducing reliance on traditional fossil fuels. One of the key advantages of solar power systems is their ability to produce electricity without producing harmful emissions or pollution. Solar energy is a clean and sustainable alternative to fossil fuels, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. In addition to their environmental benefits, solar power systems can also help homeowners save on their electricity bills. By generating their own electricity from the sun's rays, homeowners can reduce their reliance on the electrical grid and potentially even sell excess electricity back to utility companies. Solar power systems are versatile and can be designed to meet various energy needs. Whether it's a small residential system or a large-scale commercial installation, solar power offers a reliable and renewable solution for meeting our energy demands. As technology continues to improve and costs decrease, solar power systems are becoming more accessible to a wider range of consumers. As we look towards a future with increased focus on sustainability and clean energy, solar power will play a vital role in powering our world.